Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet a very nice pacifier clip with puff stitch and 3D flower. This project is very easy and quick to do, so it's a great project for the beginners. For this project I use basic looks from Mondial in these two colors. You can find more information in the description box. And a 4mm hook and a suspender clip. Okay, first chain 2, then we do 1 single crochet into the first chain. And now we're going to create the first puff stitch. So chain 1, then turn the work, and to do this pull a long loop, then yarn over and insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over again and pull up a loop through, and continue to do this 4 more times until we have a total of 11 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 11 loops on our hook. Chain 1 to close the puff stitch. Now chain 1 once again, and now we're going to do another puff stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop through, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, continue to do this until we have a total of 11 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 11th loop, and chain 1 to close the puff. Okay, now chain 1, then turn the work, and now we move between the 2 puff stitch using a slip stitch. And now we do another set of 2 puff stitch as we did before. Okay, now we have 11 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through. Chain 1 once again, now we do another puff stitch into the same space. And now we are going to do another set of 2 puffs. So chain 1, then turn the work. Now we move directly into the space between the 2 puffs, where we do another puff stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook until we have a total of 11 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 11 loops. Chain 1 once again, and we do another puff stitch into the same space. Chain 1 and continue to repeat this until we will have a total of 24 rows, or until we reach the length about 40 centimeters or 16 inches. Okay, now my puff stitch cord is about 40 centimeters, so now we're going to create a loop for the pacifier, so chain 30. And now join with the slip stitch into the second puff. Now cut the yarn. Then we are going to sew the suspender clip on the other side. And now weave all the tails, all the ends inside the work using a needle. Okay, now I want to decorate my cord with this beautiful 3D flower. I leave the link of this video tutorial in the info box below, and I choose this beautiful pink yarn. So place the flower here near the suspender clip, then sew it on the cord. And now let me show you the finished pacifier clip. This sweet little pacifier clip can be made in less than 30 minutes with simple cotton yarn. The clip makes it easy to attach to just about anything. These clips make an expensive, super cute and practical gift for new parents. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram if you create your pacifier clip. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!